Is your smart TV constantly dropping the Wi-Fi connection, leaving you frustrated during your favorite shows? You're not alone, most of us have been there, and it's often a simple fix that we're overlooking. Smart TVs have become a staple in many homes, offering a gateway to endless entertainment through streaming services and online features. But when the Wi-Fi connection starts to falter, it can quickly turn from a relaxing evening to a tech support nightmare. The good news is that fixing your smart TV's Wi-Fi connection is often easier than you think. With a few simple troubleshooting steps, you can get back to binge watching your favorite series in no time. These steps are designed to be straightforward, so you don't need to be a tech expert to follow along. To get started, make sure you have a few basic tools on hand: a smartphone, laptop, or tablet to help with troubleshooting, and of course, your smart TV. It's also helpful to have a basic understanding of navigating your smart TV settings. Familiarity with your TV's menu system will make it easier to follow along with the steps. If you've got those covered, you're ready to begin. The first step in troubleshooting your smart TV's Wi-Fi connection is to check the Wi-Fi signal strength. This can usually be found in your TV's network settings menu. Look for an option that displays the signal strength or quality. If the signal is weak, consider moving your router closer to your TV or using a Wi-Fi extender to boost the signal. Next, try restarting your smart TV. Sometimes, a simple reboot can resolve connectivity issues. Unplug your TV from the power source, wait about 30 seconds, and then plug it back in. This simple step can often work wonders. After your TV has restarted, try reconnecting to your Wi-Fi network. Go into your TV's network settings and select your Wi-Fi network from the list of available options. Enter your Wi-Fi password carefully, making sure there are no typos. If you're still having trouble, try re-entering your Wi-Fi credentials. Double-check that your password is correct and that you're selecting the right network. Also, ensure that your TV is updated with the latest software. Check for updates in your TV's settings menu, as an outdated system can cause connectivity issues. Another tip is to keep your router close to your TV to minimize interference. Other devices in your home can also interfere with your Wi-Fi signal, so try to keep them away from your TV and router. Common issues include forgetting your network or entering an incorrect password. If you've forgotten your password, you can usually find it on your router or in your router's settings. If you're still stuck, try resetting your router to its factory settings. This can often resolve more stubborn connectivity issues. To do this, locate the reset button on your router, usually a small pinhole button. Use a paperclip or similar object to press and hold the button for about 10 seconds. This will reset your router to its default settings. Re-enter your Wi-Fi credentials on your TV and see if that resolves the issue. Throughout this process, it's helpful to have a clear picture of what you're doing. On-screen visuals can guide you through each step, making it easier to follow along. Visual cues can also help you identify where the problem might be. By following these steps, you should be able to fix your smart TV's Wi-Fi connection. The key steps we covered include checking the Wi-Fi signal strength, restarting your TV, and re-entering your Wi-Fi credentials. We also discussed the importance of keeping your TV updated and minimizing interference from other devices. Fixing your smart TV's Wi-Fi connection doesn't have to be a daunting task. With these simple troubleshooting steps, you can get back to enjoying your favorite shows in no time. So go ahead and give these steps a try. We'd love to hear about your experience in the comments below. If you found this helpful, be sure to check out our other video on common tech tips for more helpful advice.